Hi all, the purpose of this video is to show you how to get the data from the Google Classroom and put it into NZGrapher so you can create your graph and start your assessment. First of all, we need to have NZGrapher open, and then secondly, we need to go have Google Classroom open. In Google Classroom, you'll notice I've shared with you some data on movie time, which is what I'm going to show you for this example. However, when you come to the actual data for your assessment, there will be multiple sets of data that you'll need to work through to decide which one you're going to use. So for this example, we will open movie time. Once you've opened movie time, you'll notice that the information is all there for you to see. You can then click on this button here, More Actions, and what you're going to need to do is open the data in a new window. Once this has opened in a new window, we are then able to click on this button here, which will download the data for you. So if we click on that, it'll download into your downloads file, or if you have a Chromebook, it'll download temporarily into your Chromebook, and that file will be there. Next, we can then go into NZGrapher. Within NZGrapher, you can then click on Data, and what we are going to do is open the file. There are other ways of doing this, but this is the easiest way to show you. So when you see all your options down the left-hand side here, click on Downloads, and you'll notice that you'll now have the CSV file, movie time, in your downloads. We are going to open that, and you'll notice that the data is now here in NZGrapher. So just as a reminder to show you how to now put that into a graph, for bivariate data, we are going to select scatter graph. So select that, and then for variable 1, I'm going to use the budget of a movie. So this is going to be my independent variable on the x-axis, and my dependent variable is going to be gross profit. So now you can see I'm going to use budget to predict what the gross profit will be of a movie. Just as a reminder, we can then put in our regression line, and you'll be able to see here at the top, this is the formula for the line of best fit. The R score is going to tell us what the strength of the relationship is, which we can see here is probably visually and backed up by the R score is a moderate relationship, and the N is the number of pieces of data. The final thing you need to do is just change the graph title. It can be just basically budget so budget versus gross profit of movies. So it doesn't have to be properly in depth. What you need to do is click update graph, and that will put the title in there. Then what you can do is you can either save this image as or copy the image, and from there you'll be able to put it into a document to work on and complete your report. Please, if there's any questions, let me know. Post it into Google Classroom and I'll help answer it, and I can create further screencasts if required. All the best for the assessment, and if you want to do a practice, then you can follow through and do that with this movie time data. Thanks.